How to turn on to show the most relevant options on your Facebook comment. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn the option of most relevant comments on your Facebook. So to do that you must follow the following steps here. First of all, I will suggest you to go on the Google Play Store, search for the Facebook right here. If there is any update option available, then you can simply update it, because you must update your Facebook to the latest version. After tapping on the update option, your Facebook will be updated. After updating your Facebook, you can simply open it and you can see the comment of any people right here. So after trying to see the comments of any people, you will see there is the option of most relevant if it is available. So here, whenever you try to go on the comment section, you will see the option of most relevant, newest, and all comments. When you tap on all comments, you will see all the comments. When you tap on newest comment, you will see the newest comments on the front, and likewise, when you tap on most relevant option, you will see the most relevant comments on your Facebook comment. So that's how you can turn it on. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.